Okay, so little mic check.
Yeah, listen, Golf Stage 2 Plus Remap TBI and that, yeah, listen. All you blacks! No. Welcome back to the channel. Today we've got a special car in. It's a car that's been with me on my mad rotary journey for the last 6 years or so. No, fuck me, I've lost count. 8 years. I've been doing this for 8 years, shit. Today we've got Habbo Fox's car in for a little upgrade, a sneaky upgrade that everyone wants really. We have some 4-pot Brembos to put on. Now, these have been reconditioned and supplied with some tasteful little brackets made from billet, as well as some Ferodo DS2500 pads. So he's definitely gonna be stopping. So stick around till the end of the video. We'll give you a good breakdown of the costs, the process, as well as the labor involved with switching these brakes over. And without further ado, let's get cracking.
So, what's your thoughts on the standard Rx8 brakes?
The standard brakes are actually really good right out of the box, provided you switch out the pad compound for something a bit more appropriate. So if you're going to be driving it hard through B roads and you're stopping at speed regularly, then you want to be upgrading to something like EBC Yellow as an affordable option, or Hawk Performance pads, or Ferodo pads like what we're putting on with the Brembos. These are all great alternatives to stock, and they offer reliable stopping at higher temperatures. I'm gonna grab some tools. We're gonna take the stock setup off and introduce the new Brembos to Little Serenity. I'm just gonna leave that there because we don't actually need this setup anymore. And what I'm going to do is put the calipers on, bolt it up. So without further ado, let's bolt it on. Damn girl, damn girl. Oh, she's on. Yeah, I thought you used the standard bolts, but apparently it has its own. Yeah. We love fresh hardware. Spins nice. Perfect. Just take these bolts out and put a bit of Loctite on them. We like Loctite.
Bit of green Loctite.
Green means go. So as you can see, the most important part about this swap is this is true red.
Doing it.
Yeah. Just even pressure on the pads, more pistons mean better stopping power, bro. More is more. You know, looks aside, it is a nice little upgrade. And in terms of pad choice, it opens up all new windows, all new doors, whatever. I'll jump out the window, fuck it. But pads are more affordable on this type of setup as well because it's such a common caliper used in, you know, things like Renault Clios, Mitsubishi Evos. I mean, the Mitsubishi ones are a bit bigger, but you know, ultimately, it's a go-to performance caliper that's got plenty of aftermarket. So yeah, winner. The bracket is pretty much simple in design. There's no science to it. It's just match the holes on the hub, match the holes on the caliper, and then yeah, have it made up. CNC, you know, it pretty much guarantees a perfect fit every time. What more can I say? And we like billet parts. These Brembos, as this Renault tag suggests, it's come from a Renault, but more specifically, it's come from a Clio RS, which is a smaller caliper which fits straight over the standard disc. But if you were to go for, say, Renault Megane Brembos, which are bigger, you will have to change the disc for Mazda CX-7 discs. Bigger in diameter, perfect fit for the caliper, that kind of thing. So just having a caliper with more pistons just adds to that braking feel more than anything else. And it's not too big of an upgrade that you have to change your master cylinder or anything like that, so it's perfect. Next, we're gonna reach into our bag of Haribos and pull out the strawberry laces. They're black, obviously. Yeah, once you go black, you run away. New braided line to suit the new caliper. Route's in exactly the same way as the old Rx8 stock caliper. But yeah, just a different fitment.
That's as simple as that.
New caliper, new line, different route, but same route, just different fitment. Now that we've got the old caliper off and the old line, we're going to connect the new one. It's a bit of a messy job, but somebody's got to do it. Right, we're just going to test fit the wheel because Habo's a little bitch. Oh, would you look at that Habo? Yeah. You need bigger brakes, bro.
Oh, we've got loads of room.
You've got more room now than you ever had before.
That's really nice, that. Oh.
So, we all love talking numbers. And with that in mind, let's talk about the weight savings you get from monoblock calipers. Here we've got the standard setup. And if we put it on our scales here, the combined weight of the caliper and the bracket, which are both pretty much cast steel, cast iron, whatever you call it, is 5.8 kilos, thereabouts. Now, if we take these off and stick on the Brembo guineas, you'll find that they are 3.8 kilograms with the pads, the bracket, everything attached. So that means you've got a 2 kilo saving per corner, which is great for reducing your unsprung mass. And the benefit to having less unsprung mass is it's less weight for the suspension to control, so it makes for much better feedback in terms of, you know, going over undulations on the road, of which in the UK we have a shitload. So all these little things add up to a much better controlled car and something that's a bit more predictable. So let's carry on. So now we're going to bleed the brakes the old-fashioned way. Mr. Habo, Mr. Fox is going to hop into the vehicle and he's going to press the brakes whenever I tell him to. Yeah, hold it down now. And relax. Pump it. Okay, stop. Brakes are all bled up. A little bit of difficulty. The caliper refurb guys like leaving sand in their calipers, so yeah, I had a bit of fun trying to get that unclogged, but nonetheless, nothing we can't handle. So everything's fine. We've done our pressure tests and stuff. With Habo in the driver's seat, pressing the brake pedal. We're happy, there's no leaks, everything's all good. So now all that's left to do is put the wheel back on, take it for a drive, and then we'll give you a rundown of everything in terms of cost. Let's ride. Put a little bit of mileage on it because they won't be particularly great because they're brand new. Ooh, spicy. Nice pedal that, yeah. Nice pedal. I forget how nice your car is to drive. It's a good dog. We're starting to get some life in it now. Yeah, it's a nice pedal. Okay. That's a really nice pedal. No doubt it's going to get better the more you drive it as well. Yeah. But so far so good. Really good first impressions. You've got such a nice car. Yeah, boy.
It's like old times when we used to do the videos together. Plenty more to come.
For sure, man. That's a promise.
Yeah.
Slam on. I absolutely love driving this car. It's a proper pleasure.
Oh,
especially like, even compared to my car when it was NA, like R3s just feel so much nicer.
Yeah.
Yeah, boy. Yeah, we got good brakes. Good brakes. Golf bro, listen, yeah. Wagon. Here we go, man.
I mean, yeah, already I can tell. The pedal is just way more firmer.
Yeah.
Which is nice. Yeah, it feels good. Yeah, like, honestly, this feels like OEM Plus. It's perfect.
Yeah.
Nothing's changed too much, which is exactly what I wanted.
Yeah, boy.
No indicator.
Standard round here.
And yeah, perfect. It's exactly what I wanted. OEM Plus, and it looked the fucking business.
Perfect. Mission accomplished. Beautiful.
Really happy with that.
Yeah, man. We finished off the conversion of the Brembo brake calipers, and now we're going to give you a rundown of what everything costs. We've got the list right here from Habbo and what he spent. The Brembo calipers themselves are from Facebook Marketplace at £200. The caliper refurb from SSL Automotive was £250. The bracket kit from Freaky Parts, £290. The pad fitting kit from eBay, which consisted of the pins to lock the pads in place and the anti-vibration clip, that was just £10. The DS2 500 pads were £200. And then my install time, 3 hours labour plus the brake fluid, £230. So, all in all, quite a costly conversion. But nonetheless, just look at it. And that concludes this little upgrade. Thank you so much for sticking around to watch the video, and we've got plenty in store coming for you. So big rotary projects coming up. We've got cams to be fitting on an NCMX5. We've got all kinds of good stuff coming on. And even better, we've got a long awaited Auto X front lip to be fitting on this R3 for little Habbo. So I'm out. Thank you for watching.